Well, this is a very sad aloe vera, as you can see. So we want it because you can use these to root anything you want to use a cutting of. So they're a natural, brilliant thing, but as you can see, this is somewhat dreadful. So I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do, because I'm going to use another little trick. I'm going to cut it off, and I'm going to cut them all off like this. So you've got them all ready. Then these are bananas. These are past their best. Paul always says, yes, I love bananas. I'd like some bananas. And then what does he do? He never eats them. But they're useful for so many things. I don't mind at all. So I'm going to make little line like that. I'm going to put that on the surface. Oh, I think you better take the label off, don't you? And so now you can see. And what I'll be doing is I will be poking these into here. Then I shall put some soil over the top. Now, I think this is the problem with the tripod, isn't it? I'll try lifting it up. So I've cut them, and I'm going to poke them so as they sit nicely in this banana. And then I shall bring the soil up to the level of the top of the banana. I'll water them, and they will work. The rest of it will then be just left with its roots and little miserable twiggy bits, which I shall drench. It really didn't do well over winter, and that wasn't its fault. It was because it got behind something and I forgot all about it. So we'll get rid of all the legginess. We'll replant all of these bits, and I'll show you the finished product. I'm not going to cover this one up very much so that you can see in a few days what's happened and how it's doing much easier, because I don't need this number of them. But if I cover them up, it's difficult really for you to evaluate. There we are, all done. But what we are going to do is to wet this down. You're patient, aren't you, for a change? and we'll see what happens. This unfortunately will get covered in flies, whereas this one probably won't.